Last Windsor. We're right by Greenpoint now.
You can see the city. That's cool.
It's nice, isn't it?
Stop! Can you be in my vlog?
I'm not suitable for your
Do you like LaGuardia?
I do. It's impressive.
These are a throwback. They're really good. Okay, Tom thinks that the pizza combos are better than the cheddar.
Easily.
But this is like my pastime. That's why I like it better. But I'm gonna give it one last try.
It's good.
It's
There's no
just
competition.
like a fried bagel bite. Like a
Right?
A baked bagel bite.
It's a fried bagel bite or baked or a triple B.
These are good.
Baked bagel bite.
Who's with me on these?
What do you like better? Is the question.
These.
No, she's just saying that. Rose, are you serious?
I think so.
No, you're capping.
We're flying to Boston. This is the start of the Thanksgiving vlog. We are flying to Boston to stay with Tom's family in Waltham, Massachusetts.
What?
And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this Thanksgiving vlog. If you're new, thanks for stopping by. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and follow me on all my socials. I'm ready to brave the cold. It's gonna be a fun week.
It's not that much colder.
It's a lot colder, in my opinion, a lot windier, a lot more unbearable, but I'm excited to see Tom's friends, his family.
I hate how these things get in between your teeth. I hate how the combos get in between your
So yeah,
your
enjoy
gums
this
and stuff.
vlog. We're about to take off, so we'll see you guys.
Take off, rip, R.I.P.
in Boston.
R.I.P. Take off.
R.I.P. Take off. Love you.
Delta virgins. You know where Delta? Did you tell your? Can you tell your group that we're Delta virgins?
I've actually never been on a Delta flight, so. Guess who's the only one with the lights on? Truly embarrassing. The reader. Tom's mom was so sweet and got us dinner.
Show the cross section.
Can you show? Oh, it looks really good.
If you
say hi. It's been a long day. TJ driving again, back in the saddle.
TJ.
Because you're back in your hometown.
Don't call me that.
His family and all his friends call him TJ, so I'm trying to jump on the bandwagon over
after
here.
8 years? After 8 years?
Well, I thought it was funny because he introduced himself to the flight attendant on the flight last night as TJ.
Because she said, because she's.
And I was like, why did you do that? Like, what the hell? We're running some errands right now. It's so cold. And Tom's parents like the house so freezing, so it's really not fun for me. I'm like wearing so many layers trying to feel normal. Today we're just gonna chill because we just traveled yesterday and we're tired. So we're just gonna be chilling, taking it easy.
We want to start this new show.
Yeah, we may start this new show. It's #1 on Netflix. It's called 1899.
Like
so we'll let you guys know if it's good.
Bit of a thriller mystery.
Yeah, but I think when we get back, I'm gonna try to force myself to just do a quick at-home workout, because then I'll feel better about laying around all day. And yeah, we're in the cold. Welcome to the cold.
We're in the cold in New York too, Bob.
It's colder here.
Yeah, by like 5 degrees.
Hi guys, so we decided to go on a walk. I last minute was like, oh, I'm gonna do a home workout, and I feel really good about it. And now we're just going on our normal walk around the park for some steppies.
Shit, why are you saying that?
Are you happy to be home?
Yeah, it's good. It's refreshing.
We always see this guy. There's this guy that walks around this park.
With his dog.
Yeah, with his dog named Neville.
Yeah.
And it's the cutest little, like,
You know
ugly. It's just like such an ugly dog.
People that know, you know where the name Neville comes from. Where does it come from?
Harry Potter.
Yeah.
You always see him,
Wait,
like,
yeah.
he's always on the other side when we're walking. We haven't seen him today, but I hope that we do see him because he's like our old little friend. So, yeah.
I love testing her. What house is Neville Longbottom in?
Gryffindor.
Yeah, okay.
I don't, that was just a guess.
Oh.
But yeah, if you know me, you know that I don't like Harry Potter, so. Avenues and friends have found a peace.
Honestly, that sounds like a fair.
It's actually true though.
Okay.
Yo, the sunset though. Made myself a little snack. 2 fried eggs on an English muffin. It looks really good, honestly. Hey guys, we're going to dinner with Tom's friends, which I'm really excited about because we haven't seen a bunch of them in years, so we are very excited. We are going to a bar and then we're going to din. This is the fit because it's so freezing. I literally like need this scarf. I don't know where it's from. This shirt is from Macy's. Got it with my grandma. This belt is Calvin Klein and these jeans are from Macy's. They're Levi's, high-waisted. I'm gonna wear my Guess combat boots. So yeah, but I don't know how much footage I'm gonna get from tonight. Lots of catching up to do, lots of fun, but I will try to get some in. And yeah, excited for Thanksgiving. That's it. Morning, guys. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone. I love Thanksgiving. I feel like it's such a fun holiday, especially with all the food. We are going to Tom's aunt's family, so we have to leave kind of early because it's a far drive. So we're leaving at like 11:45. So I need to get ready soon, but I have my outfit all planned out, so that's good. And yeah, just excited to stuff my face today. Excited for Turkey Day and hope you guys all have an amazing Thanksgiving. You know, the one day that I need to be like so dressed up, I have some friends that have joined me on my face. I don't know why I've been breaking out lately, but I have, and it definitely makes me a little more self-conscious. So any of you that struggle with acne, I definitely know the feeling. I used to have really bad acne in high school. So we're just gonna have to cover those up, but it's just so annoying.
Here's to you, here's to me. May we never disagree, but if we ever do, fuck you, here's to me.
Okay.
Don't celebrate because this is a once in a lifetime op. I love you guys.
Love you.
I love you.
I love you.
I fucking love you.
I love you.
My friends, yeah.
This is my first time here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yo, this is crazy. What was filmed here?
The proposal, you know. No.
This is so cool.
Look at the island. So during
Where's
low
the island?
tide, you can walk out there.
Oh my gosh, it's very warm.
Guiding the ships into. Is there a lighthouse?
Me and
This
Austin
is
are
really
sharing
good.
this. Yeah. Me and you are sharing.
Okay guys, we are closing out the vlog where we started at the airport. So, was it a good trip?
Better than expected.
I think he had the best time ever, so.
Better than expected.
But it's super cold, so I'm excited to go home. I miss our bed. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. And I will catch you guys in my next vlog.